Hi, in this video we're going to introduce some MyArmy built-in a force field. Let's first open our example file. Example 36, we're going to build in the force field from scratch, and the partial and the break dynamics. And from this file you can see that, let's first make the agent number bigger, and select this place node, and increase the number, like this. And then let's create a spot. In the previous video we already introduced the spot usage, and you can make your agents interactive with the spot by the distance and the direction. So let's just do that, and click the create decision here and the spot logic. And what I'm going to do is pretty much change the agent color when the agent is near the spot. Here, spot is to meet distance less than 100, and change this color to 2. Let's run a simulation and see what will happen. You can see that the agent will change to the yellow if the agent is near the spot. And now we are going to expand the usage of the spot and turn that into a force field or combo. So let's do that. Let's deplace our agents and select the spot here. And you can see that in the channel box there are a lot of the attributes, and one of them is the field mode. You can see that this is only spot. The only spot means we can only interact with the agent with the spot by the logic sentence. And if we change that, the force field, we can only force field. We can interact with the agent in the dynamic simulation. For example, let's just increase the radius like this and move this right here. And let's run the simulation. Let's place our agents. Okay, at this time, and let's just temporarily enable dynamics. Okay, enable dynamics at this time for all the agents. Let's run some of the frames. You can see that all the agents enable dynamics. And here, this force field will working if we just move right here and play back. And you can see that we can increase the magnitude for 200 or more bigger value, 2000, 20,000. You can see that this is some of the push field, force field. We need to make this even bigger, 8, 9, and move this right here. This is a push force field. And also we can change the field type from the push to the pull. At this time you can see that it will pull the agent together like this. And inside of the sphere range, let's just increase this value, and you can see that the more agents will be pulled together. And also we can just change that to the vortex. In the vortex you can change the height and the radius of that. And let's run the simulation. You can see that you can make your agents the vortex like this. And this is a built-in force field, and it is very fast. And how about we expand the usage for that? Let's just change that from the only field to the both. That means our agents can both interactive with the logic and the force field to that. Let's just use this for simulate a bump here. Let's just switch the both and the push. Should add some of the keyframe here. You can see that the radius is 72 Let's just change that to 100. And here, reset. Let's just make some keyframe. Let's run a simulation. You can see that. Let's just disable this. Control H. Hiding this is disabling that. We're going to make our agent the bump and interactive with the bump. We're going to keyframe this like here, and let's just select this guy and set keyframe. Click S and put it right here. Click S, and let's just decrease this. We need to keyframe the 119. Click S and 120 here, keyframe, and here and here, or with some frames can push the agent outside. Click S and then 125 to this place. Okay, and let's run the simulation. Oh, we need to set the frame range to 1. You can see that this spot now is kind of the combo, and our agent can interact with the spot by this logic. So if the agent is near to the spot is less than 100, it will enable dynamics. So let's just change that a little bit, dynamics. And once it's interactive with the logic spot and enable dynamics, and then it can interactive with the physical field, the dynamic field of this. And so let's run the simulation. You can see what will happen. It will turn to the dynamics and pushed by this force field, just like a bomb. Let's see that again. You can see that. This is the very simple setup. You can also keyframe this for other locations for simulating the multiple bump and as you wish. And let's just delete the key here and simulate a tornado. Let's first need to select the spot and change from the push to the vortex, and make some of keyframe here, S, and this first frame to for example 100 frames, and let's move right here just like this, and let's run a simulation. Everything is automatically set up. You can see that the agent inside of the range, it will open, enable the dynamics, and inside of the vortex, the force field range, and simulating the tornado of this thing. Okay, this is an introduction for the built-in force field of the Miami. Thank you for watching. See you next time.